Guys, this has been a long time coming. It may turn out to be a huge, horrible mistake that we instantly regret, but like, we have to do this. We have to do Mickey's death wheel. Do or die. 3, 2. Here we go. So far, so good.
Haley's not even rolling.
I'm not gonna care. I'm not filming this. I'll get what y'all get because I can't even.
Oh, Kaylee, motion sickness bags. Sorry, there's motion sickness bags. You need to grab one while we're sitting. Just in case.
You can even just breathe into it.
That makes me feel so much better because that was my biggest concern.
I know.
Yeah.
Why? We should just grab those and keep them, the ones we have at home.
I'm glad that they have them.
Okay. 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 Whoa. Okay. Okay. Okay.
It
Okay.
actually is kind of breezy.
So it begins. All right.
You okay?
Whoa. Okay. They don't call it Mickey's death wheel for nothing. Woo.
But look at the view.
I'm just trying to look straight ahead.
Looking straight ahead is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm fine right now.
Keep your eye on the horizon. That'll help. It's not so bad once it calms down.
Yeah.
It's actually that first kick I was expecting it to be worse, especially since we were facing backwards.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's fine. I've watched a vlogger like film himself on this ride and he was screaming the entire time, which was quite funny, but it made me think it was going to be a lot worse.
We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. This is actually okay.
It's very relaxing.
It is kind of relaxing, actually.
It's got some kick.
Are they in a non-swinging one? Well, that's probably where I should be, but I'm here. I got the bag, and if I need it, I will use it. You're doing great. Yes, it's a nice view. I really do love Ferris wheels.
Nice views of Incredicoaster.
That is a really pretty view.
And the breeze is nice.
The breeze is very
Uh-oh.
nice.
We're good, we're good, we're good.
All right, here we go again. This wretched wheel just keeps on spinning.
We're towards the top, so we're not gonna swing again until we get to the other side, I think.
True. Ah, it actually is very nice up here.
Okay, let's see if I can get it.
Yeah, it's really fun. No one barked yet.
That's no good. Let's keep it that way. But I like the optimism.
Okay, all right, get ready. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Whoa! 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 Okay.
It's all good.
Okay. Whoa, my God. Okay, okay, all right, okay. Everyone, distribute your weight. Everyone distribute your weight.
Honey! There's nothing there! Stop screaming, you're scaring the child!
It's fine. It's like a swing. I'm swinging again.
This is the worst thing I've ever done at Disney.
I don't think this is the worst.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh God!
I want to swing.
Oh God!
I love swing.
We're just not a swing.
I love swing. Yay. Oh, yay.
It's not a swing.
I love swing. Yay. Oh, yay. Okay, we're good.
Oh, no.
It's good. I'm all good. Okay.
Oh no! Oh
It's
no!
good. I'm all good. Okay.
Oh no!
It's gonna stop, it's gonna
Oh, no.
settle out. We're good.
You there, boy? What day is it?
Alright, next time, barf back and Xanax.
It continues on!
Oh my God. I like that one.
Oh God! Okay, okay, whoa!
Okay.
This is the scariest thing I've ever done at Halloween! Oh no!
Okay, seriously, never doing this at night.
Never doing this again!
I don't mind it too much. That last one was a little bit much.
They're all rough. They've all been rough.
It's good. It's all good. Jamie, Danny, and Jamie.
Okay.
Guardians of the Galaxy, mission breakout.
Oh, we're already back in the sky. That's good.
Okay, here we go. It's happened.
Oh no!
We're okay.
Oh
We're
no!
okay.
Oh no!
We're
is not moving, so we should level out. It should be okay. We got one rather vicious rotation. We can watch Incredicoaster launch though.
Yeah, but then I have to like turn my head.
Uh-oh. I'm just gonna watch Incredicoaster launch. I'm gonna have a lovely time. I am never eating again.
I don't feel that bad.
Is it happening? Yay.
Never again. Never again.